Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute and show you how to do a Nearpod. I had some questions about how to do our Nearpod, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. So our Nearpod is under our classwork. So you'll notice on the top I have our video tutorials I've been adding, the weekly check-in, discussion, instructions, resources, and then finally you have the assignments for the week. So density Nearpod is the first one. Then you have your 5 discussion questions, and then your density assessment. So to do the density Nearpod, we know it's an assignment because it's on a clipboard. The assessment's also on a clipboard, and then the other things are questions, hence the question mark. So let's do our assignment, the Nearpod. Oops. So once you're here, it says view assignment. So you can click on it and you can kind of get a preview, but you want to view the whole assignment. You want to look at the instructions. And yours might look slightly different than mine because this is teacher view, but it should look mostly the same. So it says click the attached link to go to the Density Nearpod. This is a self-paced slideshow with activities within it. You'll be asked to type your name before starting. Please use your full name. Don't use nicknames because it will submit a quiz at the end, and if you have a nickname, I won't know who you are. So give me your full first and last name. And then it says just use the arrows to navigate through the slideshow, answer questions, watch the videos, and complete all activities within it, including the quiz at the end. That's the most important part. So you're just going to click on the link. It already has my name. It won't have your name probably, so don't put an other, don't put a nickname. I need your full name just like mine is. You're going to join the session, and you'll see there's arrows. So you can go back by hitting the left, or you can go to the right arrow to go forward. So we need to go forward. So we'll ask you essential questions, the objective, what you're going to be learning. It gives you time frames on some of these. Some people have already started. We can collaborate here. It says, what do you already know about density? So you would write down what you already know about density here. Share your thoughts or an image. So you're welcome to put an image of something that reminds you of density. And then you just keep going. These ones you have to be patient for. Let it load for a minute, and it will ask you a poll. So a poll is just your opinion. The density of a sample material is dependent on the amount of the material present. So you put true or false. So just keep going through this all the way until you're done. Answer all the questions. Experience all the activities. It should be interactive and enjoyable. Once you're done, if you don't mind leaving me a comment, letting me know how you liked it. If you like these, I'll do more. If you guys don't like them, then I'll do less. So make sure you comment and let me know how you feel. Give me some feedback. And once you're done with the Nearpod, come back here and turn it in. Mine doesn't give me the option to submit anything, but yours will. And it shows me, I'll give you kind of what it looks like on my end. It shows me when you turn them in. So make sure you go ahead and turn in when you're finished.